Jim! Jim, come on, jump! Jim! Jim, you fell asleep again. Come on, we have a test tomorrow.
Well, hello, you two. How's your little experiment going?
Horrible! 3 girls I don't care about made me cry in the bathroom.
Hey, you guys, I bet you Lois Griffin doesn't make the track team, which is an important thing in high school right now.
Yeah, anyone is running track at her high school right now.
Yeah, and I bet she also doesn't live on the south side of town, which is suddenly important.
I hate your north side face.
Lois, that's terrible.
And my day was even worse. I got pegged by a new form of spitball.
Hey, get up, you faker. It's just a spitball.
What's up, my sisters? Ooh, I ain't sat down in a hot minute. What the hell? Why are you talking like that? Sorry, I have family in town. You guys, I'm freaking out. The SATs are this weekend, and there's no way I'm gonna get a good score. You know, Meg, maybe you should get someone super smart to take it for you. That's what all the star athletes do. I'm so sick of all the special treatment they get, even during school shootings.
Kevlar vest. Hold on. So, these are for starters only.
I'll be a starter next year.
Then next year, you can this.
Get the fuck out of here! No! All right, time to make all those popular kids pay for ignoring me.
Peter, no, you're just a normal high school kid.
Oh. Hey, Lance, it's off. It's off. Throw this phone away, Lois. Good morning, children. I am your interim principal, Mr. Griffin. And to show I'm a fun principal, I'm gonna do the Ice Bucket Challenge. 3 years too late, but right on time for a principal. And making no less sense than it did when it was current. You're welcome, person who's probably already dead. But hey, now I got something even more fun. How about we all do an expertly choreographed lip dub to a popular song? Do 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 do.